I don't know if you can appreciate how rocky it is. It's really hard to tell, but man, they're rolling. Do it again. I don't know if I'm catching it.
They go straight sideways. No?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have no idea.
So, this is what it's like cruising in 50-mile-an-hour winds, sustained.
I don't know if I got it. It's rocky. It's our song. It's our song. Hello, Mr. Ducky. Ducky. What the duck?
Diamond Lunch.
Ooh. We're going to the Diamond Lunch. Oh,
So there it is.
yep. We're in line. I stepped right in, walked. Hello, hello, hello.
How are you? Good, thank you.
Your entertainment director, Jason. The guy who is cooking for you. Your executive chef, Anton.
Perfect color.
Opa. Anticlimactic.
Huh?
I said that was anticlimactic. Hello.
Wow, hello! How are you guys doing? Don't answer that. Can't hear you.
It's our second sea day.
It is. We are in between Cozumel and heading to Jamaica. Not Ocho Rios. We're going to...
Montego Bay.
Yep. I think she knew.
We are going to go to an all-inclusive. Secrets. Secret.
Can't tell you where it is. This is a
So,
sold-out excursion. Weather's not supposed to be that great, but we'll see. We're on a cruise.
Food,
Get wet, you
drink.
get wet. You're
All
gonna
right.
jump in the water, get wet.
It's super rocky, so the camera's probably
Yeah.
like,
If you see this,
yeah. I mean, it's bad. Like, everybody was stumbling all over the place.
Liz actually had to lie down today because she was feeling a little nauseous. And the bedroom door just closed all by itself. Oh, look, it opened again.
All right, so last night what did we do?
There it is. No, it's closed. Have you heard that thud?
We played in the casino.
Yeah,
We
had
did
some-
well.
Yeah,
Then
actually.
this morning we lost.
But it was fun. I mean, we played for some time.
We had the Diamond Luncheon today. It was
Yep.
awesome.
It was.
My food was delicious. I had ravioli. It was fantastic.
Yeah. We started out this morning going to get a coffee. And they have new lids now, which are nice because they don't degrade. Like normally the old paper lids, you took a sip out and you're like wiping freaking paper mush off your lip. And the new lids, they fit a lot tighter. So yesterday or the day before, or whatever it was, pretty much every morning we've gotten a coffee from there. And I was putting my lid on just fine. Today, because it's a fight to get the things on. It's not like you just, oh, look, it pops on. It's all cute and pretty. No, you gotta like work it around, this, that, and the other. And it wasn't going on. So I'm pushing on it and then just collapsed. Pretty much the whole cup and coffee went everywhere. So I'm like, oh my God. And it only took about that much out of the cup. And I'm like, just pour it in another cup. She looks at me and goes, already got another one brewing. I saw that. I'm like, oops. So she made me another coffee. Then she put the lid on the second time. But yeah, that was kind of funny. Then Liz was like running around. She finds a bunch of napkins. She's starting to wipe them up. And she's like, no. I call housekeeping. You leave it alone. So they're just so accommodating. But yeah, that was kind of funny.
Yeah, I mean it
was a coffee explosion.
Yeah, it was a coffee explosion. The waves are like 8 to 9 foot, which don't seem like they're a lot, but they are bad because it's like rolling.
Yeah,
rolling. All the high decks are closed.
Yeah, literally deck 9 and above, all closed.
Even deck 3, the exterior promenade, you're not allowed out there.
Yeah, because the winds today were 49 knots at the peak so far, which is about 56 miles an hour. So tropical storm force winds sustained. And the waves show it. I mean, it's brutal. It is absolutely brutal. I mean, we're relatively used to it, but...
And
yeah, it's rocky.
Yeah, it's rocky.
It's rocky as hell. And it's funny walking down, you see a straight corridor, and you see everybody doing the same thing. Woo-doo, woo-doo, woo-doo. And then it stops, and everybody kind of like straightens up, walks again, and then it does it again. So, yeah, it's definitely one of the windier ones. And the captain today said it's not going to lit up till 3 or 4 tomorrow. And by that point, we'll be in Jamaica. Or 3 or 4 o'clock this morning.
In the morning, yeah.
It was pretty cool, though. We just went under Grand Cayman. And I went to go take a shower. And I stood in the shower just to see, if it's possible. Wasn't possible because this is a bathtub.
If it's possible to shower because it was so rocky.
Yeah, no, this is a bathtub.
I did it earlier. It wasn't as bad.
Yeah, this morning. So
yeah, but
so if you don't smell it, it's her.
What? The cruise has been great so far. Really nice people. There's a lot of vets on board.
Ton of
course, we thank you for your service if you're watching.
Absolutely, we appreciate you.
The ship was decorated the day we got on for Christmas, so that's fun. Lots of people dressed up in their outfits. It's so cute.
Yeah, when we were walking around, you get on the boat, you walk around, you gotta look at the casino, you gotta look at this, look at the other. We went to go walk around the casino, and the lady's like, "Excuse me, please hold." And we're like, "Huh?" And she's like, "Oh, this is the decorating crew, so we have this area cordoned off." Ooh, whoa. That was not you see the simultaneousness of that. Woo.
Maybe I am sick again.
Yeah. So, but we walked in. We're like, it's not an elite cruise or anything like that. Well, they got pastries and coffee and everything set up because literally the day we got on, they decorated. By the time, obviously, we left, they were done.
Yeah, usually in the casino, if it's like a special cruise, they have food set up. So that's why we were confused. But anyway, our room steward, Adrian, is amazing.
I keep calling him Andre.
It's Adrian.
I'm sorry, Adrian. Dude's amazing. Absolutely amazing.
We've been hiding plenty of ducks. We've only found 1 duck so far.
Yeah. How many ducks? And somebody, we're in the Facebook groups for the specific cruise, and a lot of people are like, I can't find any, so screw it. I'm going to hide mine. So maybe we'll find theirs, and we'll find ducks. I don't know.
We've only found 1. So Oh, it was funny at the Diamond Luncheon today. The captain called.
Oh, yeah.
He said he was able to bring us the Bolt feature on the small ship, the Legend, because of all the rockiness.
Yeah, everybody's like, "What do you mean? There's no bolt on here." He's like, "No. The ship is the bolt because we're going up and down and around and sideways, and they got a giggle out of everybody." And actually, there was a decent sized Diamond lunch today.
Yeah, it was good. It was way more than I
Yeah,
expected.
the one prior to our prior one was 14 people. The last one didn't even have anything. They were like, "Here's a credit for cucina,
Which we
for dinner."
didn't get to use.
Yeah, we got confused about what the hell was
Yeah.
going on. But
What else? So it was windy in Cozumel yesterday, so that was rough.
or Cancun, as I put in the notes.
Oh, so what did you do after showering today, Chris?
What did I do? I dried my... I didn't even get to dry my, and then the smoke detector went off. Because just outside the shower is a smoke detector, which apparently responds very badly to steam. So I like taking crazy hot showers. And I, got in the shower. The shower, the bathrooms themselves are small, so you can't really dry off without bumping yourself. And it was rocky, so I stepped out and opened the door, and I'm sitting there drying off, and all of a sudden, this piercing noise goes off, and I'm like, what the... Yeah, that was another door closing itself, in case you were wondering. What the hell is that? I'm like, oh, do we have an emergency on board? And I look up, and there's a red light on the smoke detector going off. I'm like, that's us. I'm like, shower, steam, smoke detector. Damn it. And, whew.
Yeah, they called the room. We told them it was fine, but it took them like 5-10 minutes to finally get here.
Well, no, they were here apparently because we told them they were fine, but they are not allowed to go into a room unless they are accompanied. So I'd imagine if it was an actual fire, they're kicking your door open, deal with it. But he's like, since you said you were fine, he goes, I can't come in here without an accompaniment of a security, housekeeping, somebody. He goes, I can't just walk into your room. He goes, I've been standing out here for like 2-3 minutes. I'm like, our ears are bleeding. We literally went outside, and that's why we didn't hear him knock, besides the freaking fire alarm.
Yeah, we went on the balcony.
Yeah, went on the balcony, and it was just, I was like, this is nice. Then finally he came in, and then I dried off, got dressed, this, that, and the other. And Liz is like, I need a drink. I'm like, me too. I mean, we're talking 4 o'clock, 3:30. It's getting a little late in the day. And,
we were so eager to get a drink. Yeah. We walked outside and then realized none of us had our keys.
Literally, we have the little magnetic hooks, and we hang them at, right in the little main area so you can see them. As I'm closing the door, I went, click. I'm like, shit, I don't have my card.
Shoot.
I said ship.
Oh.
Sheesh. What the? No. And I went at Liz, I'm like, Liz, do you have your card? She's like, no. Wait, where is it? Where's the blue card? So, after 58, something like that, Carnival Cruises, guess what? We have a blue card again. So this is the card they give you if you have, you want somebody to have access to your room that doesn't stay in your room. They give you this one.
You can't charge anything on it.
Yep, there's no names, there's no nothing, and it literally says ... 47, because that's the last 2 digits of our room number only. So, yeah, so we went down there, and I walked up, and I'm like, hey, we got 2 jackasses here, and we both forgot our keys in the room. And he's like, he goes, I've been here for so many years. He goes, I've done it 3 times. I'm like, okay, that makes me feel a little better.
So we got our drink. Now we're doing this vlog, and we are
We're doing a vlog?
Whatever it is.
Oh, I thought I was talking to a wall.
Okay, and then we've got Steakhouse tonight.
Hey.
And that'll be it. So
there's another door
and
slamming.
The door is slamming. So,
it's going that way.
Right.
It's coming back. Hold on, here comes another one. Oh, that wasn't
didn't slam. All right, we're going to call it. Have a great night.
We're going to call it.
I don't know. We're calling this vlog.
We're calling it Rocky.
Bye.
Peace.